As soon as I lay down, my father Atesh something Aegean. Smell like my favorite food.
Nani?
Why you so kind all of a sudden? I doubt it. Is it poisonous? Taste is the best. Oh, why don't you feed me anymore? Please feed me. Dinner time.
Huh?
More. More. What the heck? Are you crazy? Dare to make fun of me? Feed me now. Oh. I have been patient with you for a long time. Let me feed myself. It's late at night and you still have something? Give me please. Noodles? Looks good but I'm so fat. I don't eat anymore. Don't tempt me. It's time for good night, goodbye. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Retriever Planet to have more fun videos. Thanks for watching.